Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam wa wahabna lahu Ishaqa wa Yaqub كلا هدينا ونوحا هدينا من قبل ومن ذريته داود وسليمان وأيوب ويوسف وموسى وهارون وكذلك نجزي المحسنين. Translation: And we bestowed upon him Ishaq and Yaqub, Jacob. Each of them we guided right, and we guided Nuh before them, and his descendants Dawood, David, and Solomon, and Ayub, Job, and Yusuf, Joseph, and Musa, Moses, and Harun, Aaron. Thus we do reward the good doers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave clear guidance to Ibrahim alayhi salam and gave him knowledge and high status. Also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the son like Isaac, Ishaq alayhi salam in the old age, and also gave him a grandson like Jacob or Yaqub alayhi salam. Yaqub alayhi salam is also known as Israel, and he had 12 sons, and from these 12 sons the great nation of Bani Israel was formed. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent thousands of prophets in the children of Bani Israel. And as it is mentioned elsewhere in Quran, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wrote the prophethood in the children of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned Nuh alayhi salam in this ayah as well. And Nuh alayhi salam was in the forefathers of Ibrahim alayhi salam. And after the great flood, all the humanity was from the children of Nuh alayhi salam. Nuh alayhi salam, also known as the second Adam or Adam-e-Thani. Another important pearl in this ayah, if we ponder that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned two prophets in a pair form in the later part of the ayah, when we see Dawood alayhi salam and Sulaiman alayhi salam, and they were similar in their kingship and in their prophethood. And the next is Ayub alayhi salam and Yusuf alayhi salam, and they were similar in the tests that they were given. They were given very hard tests, and those tests they dealt with lots of patience and beauty. And the next pair is Musa alayhi salam and Harun alayhi salam, mentioned in this ayah, and we all know that they were brother, and their struggle was very similar, and they worked together. Musa alayhi salam asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for Harun alayhi salam to be given the prophethood and to be included in the task that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave to Musa alayhi salam. Wallahu a'lam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and connect us to the Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.